If you want to fail chemistry GCSE, just keep on scrolling. If you want me to tell you how to get a 9 in just 1 minute, then keep watching. My name's Tilly, I got a 9 in chemistry, and this is what I did in my revision to get that grade. And look, I didn't have a chemistry teacher, so my revision was quite interesting. So obviously I didn't have a teacher, so the first thing I was doing was using YouTube to teach myself, which you need to basically be doing if there's any topics you didn't understand. And I don't just mean forgetting them, I mean conceptually not understand. Sure, you might be able to remember things and get the marks in the exam, but you need to conceptually understand it for the longer answer questions. And to get that, you can use YouTube. Your teacher will teach something in a way that you just might not get. And there's no shame in that. There will be so many teachers teaching the thing in different ways on YouTube. Incredibly helpful resource, do not sleep on it. Secondly, because I was so weak at chemistry, I was doing a practice paper every day. Every single day. And if there were any topics that I found particularly difficult, I was doing practice paper questions from different exam boards as well. Help test my conceptual understanding of something. There's only so many things I can ask about catalysts. And for subjects like maths and science, of course, in the exam, the marks will be awarded in different ways across the exam board. A lot of the topics they teach are the same. So do double check this using your specification. And make sure you're only revising things that are on the specification. And make sure you're only revising things for the paper that you're about to sit. So for example, for me, I had paper 2 chemistry after half term. So when I was focusing on paper 1 stuff, I wasn't even looking at paper 2. You need to know what is on each exam so you can prioritize your revision time. Speaking of exams, this is the most important tip. Oh wait, 1 second. If you're not following me by now, what are you doing? I'm posting my top tips for every single one of your GCSEs. This is the most important tip. Exam technique. But don't scroll. Can you tell me what the assessment objectives mean? Can you tell me how many AO1 marks are available for a 4 marker? No? That's what you need to know, because then even if you don't know how to answer the question, if you know there's a knowledge mark on offer, bang down a definition, and then you've got the mark. How many marks are available for analysis? Again, indicative of how long your responses should be, and how many links you need in this chain. That is how you get a 9. It's not about knowing every single minute detail of the specification. Of course, you should aim to learn it, but most importantly, it's about getting the marks in the exam. The examiner only sees what's in front of them, and if it adheres to the mark scheme. Once again, make sure you've got this video saved for revision. It's going to be incredibly helpful. And comment if you want to stay on Study Talk.